Welcome to the assembly guide of vintage EV scooter, manufactured by Star Baby. Box include, main body, handlebar, front fork, side mirrors, nuts, charger. Insert the front fork to the main body. Now take the handlebar and join the wire on the main body as shown. Now fix the handlebar firmly with the help of nut. Open the seat. Join the wire of batteries. Put the seat back to its place and fix it with the nuts. Place the side mirrors to the handlebar and fix it with nuts. Now this vintage EV scooter is ready to ride.